take it. You see this gap? I want to see it turning into inversion. That's not a SMT above, which I would have preferred to see a SMT above. So once it gives a closure, then I see it as more like a setup. If there was a SMT with, there's still a SMT with the higher time frame, but I was looking for a SMT with these highs. I didn't give a closure yet. Alright, this is not it. It never gave a closure below the gap. I for a moment thought I can take entry from here, then changed my mind. A bit more confirmation for a short from the top would be nice. And already expecting a chop, right? Something that we have seen not only once but multiple times after such a aggressive 200 plus point delivery at 9:30. We most of the time see a bit of chop before it does deliver any opportunity. So patience. So what I see, this range is the accumulation phase, which has a manipulation due at previous weekly high. Right, these equal highs were a red sign to go for a short, but most of the sell stops are remaining below us. So still confident that we probably will get this short. Let's see. More of equal highs. Here, trend line liquidity, more like trend line liquidity. Why we are not looking for another purge? Now we are. Now we are. Before we weren't, but now we do. We are looking for another purge. If it drops without us, then what can we do but expecting another purge? Another purge at 180, and then I'm expecting this drop. If it drops now, not gonna feel FOMO because I never see it from here now. I don't see it from here. So if you guys will feel FOMO, then this candle is basically giving you a chance to enter, right, with a stop loss, suppose like this. And then this is a very nice target, this 50-minute gap, bullish gap. So if you feel like you'll get FOMO'd, then take this. Likely will work. 50-minute gap is very close. Coming at 0.91. How many of you took it? Reply +1 those who took it. This trade can be more like this. But honestly, as I've said before, I am expecting a purge. So what would I grade this setup? More like B plus, right? Because it created these equal highs above these ones. And I've said it before, I was expecting a purge. Now, before it created this high, I was okay to take it from here. It never closed below. But you guys can test your luck in this scenario. Some of you took it. So I would say it's in between B plus and A setup. Not so sure because it has equal highs above and then this 50-minute gap so close by. So if you take it, do follow the risk management. And then you can just trade your stop loss aggressively to be on the safe side. No better target than this though. I won't grade it A plus as there's equal highs, but it's in between B plus and A setup because of the 50-minute gap. So now stop loss can be like suppose at break even. It moves so much in our favor and the target is very close. Right, the 50-minute FVG. How many of you took it honestly? Reply +1, those who took it. I like couldn't be sure what to grade it honestly. It was more like in between A and B plus. We are really so deep into premium, so this short was my only expectation. But most of the time, I would say 99% of the time, I'm sure about what to grade a setup. The reason that I still said it can be a because of if you look at 15-minute chart, so close to this gap. And I said it before, if we get a gap here, then only thing I want to see is a short. And we did create this gap. But the reason it's not a plus is because of these highs above. If it delivered that another purge I was expecting and then it went lower, easily a plus short. Alex, nice